Hi guys, welcome. Let me show you how to make these soft and fluffy buns at home. Welcome everybody. First, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of yeast on an empty container. Then I'm gonna add 1 glass of milk. My milk is warm. Then I have 2 eggs which have room temperature. I'm gonna mix that and cover for 5 minutes just to activate the yeast. And then after 5 minutes we're back. Our yeast is activated. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add a half cup of sugar, mix, and then add a tablespoon of salt. Combine all that, make sure they are well combined. And then our next thing, we're gonna be sieving all-purpose flour. I'm gonna be using 3 cups, and I have 1 cup aside just to add on that when I'm making the dough. So I'll use 4 cups, but I'll make sure I list my ingredients on the description box. So guys, make sure you check them out and make some for your family. So continue sieving the flour, and then we make the dough after we sieve at least 2 sieves, two cups. So I'm gonna first use my muiko to mix. If you have a spatula you can use, but I prefer a muiko because it's strong. So I'll mix until I form a dough before I get in with my hands. So we're gonna add more flour. This is now the 3rd cup that I'm adding. So we continue to mix until we form a dough. So guys, this is Dishing a Becky. Welcome everyone. Kindly give the video a like, subscribe to my channel in case you haven't subscribed, and for my new subscribers, guys, welcome to my cooking channel. Here I do cooking vlogs, and for my subscribers, guys, thank you so much for always coming back to support my videos. So we're gonna continue to make this dough, and now we'll remove the excess dough on my muiko, and then we're gonna be adding 20 grams of margarine. Margarine will help the buns to be soft, and they'll be yummy. But if you have butter, you can use butter. So I'm gonna continue and mix that with the dough, and I'm through. Here you go, this is the dough now. So I'm gonna be covering this dough for, I'm gonna turn it in the container, cover it for 1 hour or until it doubles the size. Then I'll be back. We start making shapes for our buns. After 1 hour, guys, we're back. So I'm gonna punch it just to remove excess air. Then I'll put it on my working space so that I can start cutting the dough. So guys, make sure you try my recipes. They are very easy. Anyone can use my recipe. I normally bake at home, so you guys can do it also. So we're gonna be portioning these 12 pieces, as you can see. That's how I'm gonna be making my shape. I'm gonna flatten it and put it on my baking tin, which is ready. I've already oiled it, so I'll flatten a bit and then place them on my baking tin. So that's how I'm doing it. You can make any shape that you like. So after we are through, we're going to cover again for 20 minutes or until they double the size. Then here we're back. We'll put them in the oven for 20 minutes. Here you go, you're done guys, and I'm applying some margarine on top. If you like egg, you can apply egg before you put them in the oven, but me, I don't like the egg, so I apply margarine after they come out of the oven when they are hot. That's when you apply the margarine, because it's going to melt, as you can see, and they really look nice when they are shiny. There you go, they look really nice. So we're gonna go ahead and cut one with you guys. We see how they are inside. They look really nice and yummy on the outside. Let's check the inside. As you can see, it's nice. There you go guys. They really look soft and they are sweet. I already tasted. They're very sweet. So make sure you try this recipe. Get the ingredients from my description box and try the recipe. So thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate all of you. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, let me know what you think about the video, and let me see you on another recipe. Bye bye guys.